What's going on, guys? Johnny Fridge here. Today I'm gonna be making a top 5 video. Parents destroy their kids' electronics. Now I've seen these type of videos before that I'm gonna make. That I'm gonna react to. But yeah, before we get into this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Now, the first video we're gonna be watching is where this parent doesn't actually destroy an electronic in this video. This kid, he actually got revenge on his dad because his dad destroyed his phone, the hammer, and then the son destroys the Xbox 360. It was the dad's Xbox 360. So the son throws it on the floor and he smashes it with the hammer. And then the dad was really upset. He got so mad. And then he was flipped. The dad was really flipped out. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the clip.
This is cool, but my phone was nicer. What the fuck?
That's for breaking my phone.
What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck? Oh my god!
Yeah, that's your new Xbox there.
Get the fuck. No, fuck that. Fuck. That's enough. Go in your room. What the hell is wrong with you? What the fuck? Oh my god! Fuck! I'm gonna fuck him up. Fuck.
Wow, guys. Wow, guys. I cannot believe that. I mean, the dad was really flipped out. He saw what the son did. Then he went to go tell his wife. And the dad was really mad. And then he started recording himself because of what his son did. Yeah. Oh, now this next song we're going to record is where this dad, he doesn't destroy his son's PS3. He actually destroys the phone because he used all the data. Sorry, I meant the data. Yeah, he used all the data on his phone. He burned it up. The dad grabs a hammer and smashes the phone, and he takes the PS3 with him. But then, after that, the kid just throws his phone on the floor, and it actually broke. It made things worse. So, let's show the clip.
I've been calling you for like 10 minutes. What are you doing?
Like this?
PS3 again?
Yes.
Hey, you burned up all the data on the phone.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did. And I've been No, I can track all the phones, and I know damn well you did it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, 85% of all the data was just you. Give me the phone.
No.
Yes, give me the phone.
No.
I told you burned it up again. You burned it up last month, and we barely went over. This time we're over. We got 10 days left to go. Give me the phone.
I did not burn it up.
Give me the phone.
No. I did not burn it.
Yeah, you did.
I did.
Give me the phone.
I didn't burn it up.
Yeah, you did. No, you're not getting it. I already told you. You burn it up, you're done.
No.
Sit down. There.
Oh my.
This is gone. You're done. Next time, this is going through that. Understand? Do ya?
Yes. Oh my god, guys. Can you believe that? I mean, man. Oh, anyway, so that happened, so, now, this next video we're gonna watch is where, this dad, he destroys his son's PS4 because he didn't do his assignments in school, and well, his dad, he does a lot of cussing, really. But I've seen this video before, and yeah, so we're gonna watch it, and I hope you guys enjoy it, really. So yeah, let's get right into the video.
Oh, the boss is here.
Oh, man. Oh, what happened?
What are you doing?
What?
What the hell are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
I'm not. Why are you, Cameron? Really?
Just to piss him off.
I can see you're watching freaking TV.
Yeah,
I can
watching
see
TV.
that.
Yeah,
I'm gonna ask you a
bad?
plain and simple question.
Okay.
One question.
Okay.
All last week.
All right.
Out with the flu.
Yeah.
Where's your makeup work?
I turned that in.
You turned that in.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You really?
Yeah.
Did you call to?
Oh, did she?
Did she? You tell me. Now you're gonna sit here and fucking lie to me?
No, because I turned that in.
You didn't turn the shit in.
Yeah, I did.
Almost 7 assignments, not even fucking turned in.
I did turn.
Not even turned in.
What are you?
You're lying.
I turned that in.
Watching fucking TV,
Yeah.
missing assignments, and you didn't do a fucking thing at school.
Yeah. So
Bullshit.
what's so bad?
Bullshit.
So what's so bad?
What's so fucking bad?
Yeah.
Okay, now, I'm gonna ask you another question. Video games, TV, no school. You wanna be a fucking
I haven't
bum?
played-
Do you wanna be a bum?
No. I'm making YouTube videos. I'm making money. Obviously, I'm not a bum.
You ain't making shit. You ain't making shit. That's bullshit.
I'm making money from it.
You know what? You're a fucking smartass. I am gonna make sure that you don't fucking play video games. This fucking TV is going off. You watch. There. I don't want no fucking TV with you.
Really?
I don't want no TV with you.
Really?
I don't want no TV with you.
Fine.
No video games,
Fine.
no TV.
Nope. Fine. Putting it back on.
See, why you gotta piss him off?
What's your problem?
Son of a bitch. What did I just get done fucking telling you? Fine. You wanna be a fucking smartass? Watch this fucking shit. You watch this shit.
Why is he so angry? God.
Because you turned the TV back on, you idiot.
Yeah. So angry. God.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Where'd he
I don't
go?
even know.
Where'd he go?
Oh,
Fuckers. Oh, fuck. You wanna fucking play? You wanna play? You wanna play? Here.
What the?
Your new fucking system. Your new system. You wanna see it?
Are you kidding? No. No.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh my God. Your new fucking system. Your new fucking system. Now you ain't got no fucking video game. There.
Hammer, dude.
See?
Look at-
I don't
look
give
at
a
this.
shit
He's got a
how much this
hammer,
shit
dude.
costs.
Anyway, guys, first, the next one I'm gonna show is where this kid, his brother caught him playing on his friend's Nintendo Switch, and most of all, the brother tells on his dad, and then the dad tells his son that he disrespected him because he was grounded for 2 weeks and he continued playing video games, and then the son tells the truth, saying that he played it, and then the dad just throws the Nintendo on the floor. But then the kid, he gets really angry and he grabs a baseball bat and he smashes the TV. And then the dad gets really mad. The dad tells his son to get out of the house, and the son actually left. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you this clip. Although, guys, I just also want to tell you that the video that I showed you, the third video, I actually made a reaction video of that before, so yeah. But anyway, let's show the clip.
Not like that. Buzz brought that over here. We're just playing. We're just playing.
It's my fault.
It's fine. It's it out. That has nothing to do with you.
Look, it was his. It's his game. I wasn't.
You disrespected me. I didn't. What? You disrespected me. You were grounded for 2 weeks because of this. That's not mine. That's Buzz. Did you play it? Did you play it? No. Don't lie. Did you play it? I didn't play it. I know I'm grounded. I know. I'm not allowed to play what I love.
It's my fault, Mr. Ridgway.
Buzz, stay out. Seriously, it has nothing to do with you. Don't let him draw. Don't talk to him like that. Did you play it? I played it. Yeah. All right then. That's his property. That's his. That was your fault. If it was broke, you buy it.
So you don't make any sense. You can't just destroy things and expect everything to be better. That's not a way to handle it.
What are you talking about destruction? About your video games? I paid for all.
Yeah!
I paid
You
for
paid
all.
for all
Yeah,
that
over the
bullshit!
years I paid for it.
Bullshit! Did you pay for Buzz's Game Boy?
No, you're going to pay for that. Because you're the one who wasn't supposed to be playing it, now you're playing it.
Here, Buzz.
You disrespected me. I asked you to stop playing for 2 weeks.
I disrespected you. You disrespect me all the time.
How?
You don't listen to what I said. When I said I want to be can't believe that. You believe in your kid.
I do believe my kid, but you gotta make money.
That's what I want to. That's what I want to do. Fucking do.
Jesse, easy.
Don't fucking say anything, Buzz. This is my thing.
Hit me with it? Is that what you want to do?
Kinda, yeah.
Is that what you really want? Because if anything
No.
happens, you're out the door.
No, all I want is some fucking respect, just like you, right?
So
Right?
all I've ever given.
I'm gonna destroy this fucking TV because you love that more than you love me.
That's bullshit. You know that.
And do not do
Now
that.
calm down.
I'm not.
Oh, God damn it.
Do what you gotta do.
Jesus.
Fuck you. Fuck this.
What the hell was that all about? Now get out of my house! Get out! Crap! Bullshit!
Anyway, guys, so the last one I'm gonna show is where this kid he plays off his friend's TV with his PlayStation, and oh my god, sorry about that, guys. But anyway, yeah. So this kid, his dad told him that he was failing in school, and so the dad, he grabs like a sharp tool. I don't know what it's called, but so what he does, the dad, he smashes the TV. Oh my god, guys, look, hold on. There's someone calling me. I don't know who the heck this is. I'm gonna pause the. I'm so sorry, guys. I had to take care of my phone really quick. I had a private number trying to call me. I don't know who the heck it is. They're calling me while I'm trying to make a top 5 video. How dare they? Shame on them. I don't know who it is though. But the last video I'm gonna show you guys is where I'm gonna say it again, and then we'll show the video. So this kid, he's playing video games on his PS2, and then the dad catches him playing. The dad sees him playing, and then the dad tells him that he's doing bad in school because he has season D's. And then the dad, he gets really upset at his son, and then the dad, he smashes the TV with the sharp claw tool. I don't know what it's called though, but that actually happens. So yeah, but let's show the clip.
Hey guys, it's Kyle here, and also known as MonsterMan546 here, and today I'm going to be playing Gran Turismo, as a lot of people are saying. They wanted to see me play, so I'm playing on my friend's PS2 that he loaned me, and yeah, so this is my friend's PS2, not mine, because my dad broke mine. So yeah, that's not funny.
I find it funny.
No, it's not.
You shouldn't.
We are.
Fine.
No, it's not.
You shouldn't be fucking with Dad.
But you know how he is. He's angry all the time.
Uh-oh.
It's not him, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy.
Why you got a camera on me? What the fuck you got a camera on me?
I'm just vlogging him.
You're fucking vlogging him. What the fuck? First off, why are you fucking playing games?
Because I wanted to do something when I was.
Why are you playing games?
Because I was bored.
I get a call from your fucking school today. You've only been in school a week.
I said, look at me.
All right.
You've been in school 1 fucking week, and I'm already getting a call saying that you're under a fucking C, almost a D, and you got fucking time for video games?
Yeah, I don't have any homework, so like.
No, evidently you ain't got no homework. You're fucking failing already.
What's the point? What's the problem?
That's it. You're gonna see the fucking problem.
Dad, where you going?
Don't fucking worry about where the fuck I'm going.
What are you doing?
Don't worry the fucking where the fuck I'm going.
Oh, shit.
You wanna fucking play around? You wanna fucking play around? There. There's your fucking playing around. You ain't gonna fuck around in school. Now you ain't got shit. Keep fucking around in school.
What was that for?
Because you don't fucking listen. There, now you got no fucking TV to fucking play your games on. Next time you're gonna fucking listen, do good in school. I don't give a fuck. Cut the camera.
Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, press that like button and subscribe to Johnny Fridge and leave a comment down below to tell me if you guys want me to make a top 10 or top 15. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.